Hello friends and welcome to Princy's Authentic Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making Sri-Lankan Jaffna style eggplant with fish roe and coconut milk. I'll show you this simple, easy, delicious recipe step by step.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Alright guys, so I'm all done. I'm also pumped up to actually eat my eggplant curry because it's my favorite curry as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching me cook. Not only watch, you guys, please do try my recipes and leave your comments right below. If you guys like my video, thumbs up. And if you guys really like my video, hit subscribe right below and the bell icon. And till then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.